Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox something went wrong. So to know how to fix how to solve Roblox something went wrong, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Roblox app and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you find it you can update your application if you need to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank